Namaskaram and good morning to everyone who's gathered here this morning for the World Yoga Day. I'm happy to say that lockdown or no lockdown, I think we at Duchess Club and O2 and Savera, we've always believed in celebrating World Yoga Day from the time it has been launched. Sujata, can you tell us from when we actually started celebrating it? I think from the time it has been announced, I think, if I'm not mistaken. We have never really missed out on that.
I don't think we have missed out from the day the World Yoga Day had started. I think it would be about 7-8 years back.
Yeah.
And we started with Isha Yoga at Savera Hotel, where we had a small group of people doing it. And I remember once we did it at the brew room also.
Yeah. And a couple of times Isha Yoga, people had come from Isha to do it for us. And we really always had a nice, nice big group of people doing yoga together, and then at the end of it meditating. It always was a very beautiful experience. And of course, we would have a sattvic lunch to end it with, which I think we'll be missing today. Yeah. So let me warmly welcome Suman Chabria, who's agreed to be the resource for today. A little background to Suman. How do we know Suman? She is the daughter of, everyone loves Jyoti Chabria, Duchess member. She's a gourmet queen of Duchess Club. That's how Suman was introduced to me personally by Jyoti, and Suman has been, taking classes at O2, so we know her much more closely because of that. So welcome, Suman, and I would like to give a little introduction to you. It's not too much, but I would like to talk about you. Yeah?
Thank you.
Suman Chabria is the founder of Anaya, an organization dedicated to bringing yoga to every home through online classes. Suman has been teaching for 2 years at Body Lyrics in Savera and O2 Health Studios, and has been conducting personal one-on-one yoga sessions. She has undergone 200 hours of a rigorous teacher's training program in Ashtanga and Hatha Yoga, and is a certified yoga therapist from Yoga Vidya Gurukulam, Nashik. She offers 4 different online yoga batches, one each for beginners, chair yoga for senior citizens, pranayama, and a yoga for all batches. You can actually follow her on Instagram at yoga.anaya. Before that, I would also like to tell you that, in her own words, she says the lockdown presents us with a unique opportunity to reset our bodies with the power of yoga. Regular practice of yoga leads to a renewed sense of energy, helps clear mental fog, and develops a positive outlook. To reap the many rewards of yoga, one needs to practice breathing exercises, postures, sequences, and techniques in their purest, most authentic forms. Fortunately, you can now master age-old techniques from a teacher who has years of experience and has been certified by renowned institutions. So, welcome and namaskaram. The floor is all yours, and we're all ready to go, Suman. Thank you very much for being here this morning. Gratitude.
Oh, I'm honored as well. Thank you so much. So, like I said, welcome everybody. Namaste to this session of yoga. And I'm very happy that each and every one of you could be a part of this, celebration. Happy International Yoga Day to everybody. And I'm glad you could take out your time and spend some time with the, to be a part of this celebrations with the Duchess Club. So let's not waste any further time. You all can lie down in Shavasana. We'll relax for a bit and then start with the asanas.
And just one last thing, as a gift from O2, all the classes, the yoga classes for the next month, starting from now for 30 days, it's going to be free sessions of yoga offered to you from O2. So please access them, online training.
So all of you can lie down in Shavasana. Lie down on your mat. We'll relax ourselves before we get on to the practice.
So Suman, you are on spotlight. It's fine
Yeah,
to
sure.
keep this view, right? Because then
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
can. Yeah.
Sure, sure. This is fine. This is fine. So lie down on your back in Shavasana. Place your palms by the sides of your body facing upwards. Your feet falling towards the sides. Take a few moments to become conscious of your body. Relax your mind. Observe the various sensations in your body and completely relax. Follow the rhythm of your breath and completely relax. Mentally scan your body from the tip of your toe to the crown of your head. Relax your feet, your legs, your back, your arms, your shoulders, your neck. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your head. Relax your entire body. Surrender your body to the mat and completely relax. Let go of any cares and concerns of the day. Tell yourself that you're going to be dedicating this time for relaxing and recharging your body and your mind. Feel your body relaxed, your mind relaxed. Slowly open your eyes, move your fingers, wiggle your toes, move your arms over your head, interlace your fingers over your head, stretch your palms, stretch your fingers, stretch your feet, stretch your toes, stretch your entire body, stretch, 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 stretch. Slowly move your arms by the sides of your body, bend your knees, roll over to the right side, stay there for a few breaths, and slowly come up to a seated position. You can sit in a comfortable seated position. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. We'll start this practice by chanting the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra for the wealth and for the health and well-being of everybody here during these testing times of COVID. So I will chant the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra. If all of you know the mantra, you can chant it along with me. Otherwise, the others can chant it after me. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your body, relax your mind. We'll begin by chanting the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Let's begin. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Mokshiyamam Prita. We're going to chant this 2 more times. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mokshiyamam Prita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mokshiyamam Prita. Feel the vibrations resonating in your body. Feel your body relaxed, your mind relaxed. Slowly open your eyes, rub your palms together to generate some heat. Cup your eyes with your palms and slowly we'll begin with the practice. So we're going to do a few stretches today. It's going to be a beginner session of yoga, simple stretches so that everybody can be a part of this session. So we are going to do simple stretches to basically to stretch out our body, to loosen our ligaments, tendons, and our muscles. Okay, so let's begin with a few stretches. So place your feet hip distance apart. Your feet should be parallel to each other, spine straight, pelvis neutral, neck and spine in one line. So your feet can be hip width apart, it could be shoulder width apart, whatever is convenient. So we are going to begin with a few stretches to basically open out our body, starting from your toes to your fingers. So we're going to begin with Tadasana. So inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling, interlace your fingers over your head, lift your heels off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, drop your heels down, move your arms by the sides of your body. We're going to do this 4 more times. Inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling, interlace your fingers over your head, lift your heels off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop your heels down, move your arms by the sides of your body. Inhale, lift your arms up towards the ceiling, interlace your fingers over your head, lift your heels off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, drop your heels down, move your arms by the sides of your body. 2 more rounds. Inhale, lift up. 2, lift your heels off. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop your heels down, move your arms by the sides of your body. Last round. Inhale, interlace your fingers, lift your heels off the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5. This time you're going to exhale, drop your heels down. Now inhale, lengthen your spine, straighten your back. Exhale, you're going to bend to the right side. Feel a nice stretch on the left side of your body. Enjoy the stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release your palms and place them down. Now we are going to do twisting pose to realign our spine. So bring your arms in line with your shoulders. Inhale here, exhale, twist to the right. Look at your right fingertips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Look at your left fingertips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, you're going to place your right palm on your right thigh. Glide your right palm towards your right knee and bend to the right side. This is a good asana to stimulate your kidneys. Stay there. And to stretch your oblique muscles. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, bring your arms in line with your shoulders. Exhale, drop your left palm down. Glide your left palm towards your left knee and bend to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, bring your arms in line with your shoulders. Again, exhale, twist to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release your palms and place them down. Now from here, we're going to slowly try to loosen out your hips here. So you can move your feet shoulder width apart. Place your palms on your hips. You're going to inhale, exhale. You're going to slowly lean forward, move to the right, back, exhale to the left and down. Inhale to the right and back, exhale to the left and down. Inhale to the right and back, Exhale to the left and down. You're trying to loosen out your hip joints. Inhale, right and back. Exhale, left and down. Now the other side. Inhale, left and back. Exhale, right and down. 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 Slowly come back to the center. Now from here, we're going to slowly try to stretch out your hamstrings. So you're going to inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling in Namaste position. Nicely lengthen your back, straighten your spine. And as you exhale, you're going to slowly lean forward from your hips and point your fingers down. Just point your fingers down. Keep your knees straight. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, release your palms, place them on your buttocks. Inhale, arch your back, move your shoulder blades towards each other, elbows towards each other, look up to the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly come back to the center. We're going to do this 2 more times. Inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling in a Namaste position, lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly lean forward from your hips and point your fingers down. Stay there. Keep your knees straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, release your palms and place them on your buttocks. You're going to point your fingers down towards the ground. Inhale, move your shoulder blades towards each other. Arch your back. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly come back to the center. One more round. Inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling in a Namaste position. Exhale, you're going to fold from your hips and slowly point your fingers towards the ground. Keep your knees straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, you're going to move your arms behind your back. Your fingers are pointing towards the ground. Inhale, arch your back. Look up, bring your shoulder blades towards each other, elbow towards each other. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly come back to the center. Now from here, we're going to try to loosen our knee joints. So you're going to bend, place your palms on your knees. You're going to do circles with your knees. Inhale and exhale 1. Inhale and exhale 2. Inhale and exhale 3. Inhale and exhale 4. Inhale and exhale 5. Now the other side. Inhale and exhale 1. Inhale and exhale 2. Inhale and exhale 3. Inhale and exhale 4. Inhale and exhale 5. Slowly come back to the center. Now we are going to try to loosen out our shoulders and our neck. There's a lot of stress in our shoulders and your neck area. So keep your arms by the side of your body. Loosen your arms by the sides of your body. Inhale, move your shoulders towards your ears. Exhale, you're going to make the sound ha and drop your shoulders down. Inhale up, exhale ha. Inhale up, exhale ha. Inhale up, exhale ha. Inhale up, exhale ha. Slowly drop your shoulders down. Now we're going to do some shoulder rotations to loosen out our shoulder joints. Place your palms on your shoulders. Inhale, you're going to move your elbows towards each other. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Now the other side. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, forward and down. 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 Now we stretched out our entire body. Now we're going to do the cat and cow stretch position. Make sure that your shoulders and your wrists are in one line, your knees and your hips are in one line. Open out your fingers wide apart so that your weight is distributed on both your palms. So we're going to do cat and cow pose. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, crown of the head up, look up towards the ceiling, chin up. Exhale, round your back, drop your chin towards your chest, move your navel into your spine. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, crown of the head up, look up, chin up. Exhale, round your back, drop your chin towards your chest, move your navel into your spine. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, crown of the head up, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your back, drop your chin towards your chest, move your navel into your spine. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, crown of the head up, look up, chin up. Exhale, round your back, drop your chin towards your chest, move your navel into your spine. Last round. Inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, crown of the head up, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your back, drop your chin towards your chest, move your navel into your spine, slowly come back to the neutral position. Now from here, you're going to lift your right arm up towards the ceiling, look at your right fingertips, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, you're going to move your right arm under your left armpit. Keep looking at your fingers. Inhale, lift your right arm up towards the ceiling. Look at your right fingertips. We're trying to open out your chest and your shoulders here. Exhale, you're going to bring your right arm under your left armpit. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly move your right arm under your left armpit. Now slowly bring your right arm down. We're going to do the same thing with our left palm. Inhale, lift your left arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, you're bringing your left arm under your right armpit. Keep looking at your fingers. Inhale, look up. Exhale, you're going to move your left arm under your right armpit. Inhale, up, look up. Exhale, you're going to bring your left arm under your right armpit. Slowly place your right palm down. Now from here, we're going to tighten our glutes and also stretch our upper back. So we're going to do the tiger pose. Inhale, lift your right leg up, the sole of the right foot facing up towards the ceiling. Look up. Exhale, you're going to round your back, move your knee to your nose. Inhale, lift up nicely, tighten your glutes. Exhale, you're going to round your back, bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, lift up, look up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, round your back, bring your knee to your nose. Now drop your right leg down. We're going to do the same for the left to open out your chest and tighten your glutes. Inhale, lift your left leg up, the sole of the left foot facing up towards the ceiling. Exhale, you're going to bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, up, look up. Exhale, knee to your nose. Inhale, up, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, you're going to bring your knee to your nose, slowly drop your left knee down. Now from here, you're going to slowly drop your forearms down onto the ground and slowly extend your legs out and come to Sphinx pose. Now in Sphinx pose, make sure that your shoulders and your elbows are in one line. Open out your fingers wide apart. Press your palms down. Lift your head up. Feel a nice compression on your lower back. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open out your palms nicely. Press your forearms down. Look up. Make sure that your shoulders are away from your ears. Don't shrug your shoulders towards your ears. Relax your shoulders. Look up. Sphinx pose is a lovely pose to strengthen your back. Feel a light compression in your lumbar back. Stay there. 2, 3, 4. Enjoy the stretch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, you're going to slowly move your head towards your right shoulder. Look at your right shoulder and towards your left. 5. Slowly come back to the center. You're going to move your head towards your left shoulder. Look at your left shoulder and towards your right heel. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Slowly come back up again. Look up. Nicely. Feel the compression in your lower back. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your head down. Now from here, you're going to cup your face with your palms. So cup your face with your palms. You can bring your elbows towards each other and look up. You'll feel a nice stretch in your neck. Enjoy the in your neck. Stay there. You can bring your elbows as 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly we're going to try to walk our elbows forward. As we walk our elbows forward, you'll feel a nice stretch in your neck and your chin. Stay there. Enjoy the stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your elbows back in line with your shoulders. Drop your palms down. Extend your arms out and rest your forehead on the ground. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, we're going to do a cobra pose. So make sure that your palms are in line with your shoulders. Or sorry, your palms are in line with your chest. You can move your feet hip distance apart. You're going to press the top of your feet. Press your palms down and slowly come up. Look up towards the ceiling. Low cobra pose. Enjoy the stretch in your lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop your head, your chest, and your shoulders down. Now, this time, what we're going to do is we're going to move your arms in line with your mat. So, your palm should be in line with your mat. Your palm should be mat distance apart. Your palms are by the side of your chest, but they are in mat distance up and straighten out your elbows. Feel a nice compression on your lower back. Enjoy this compression. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, drop down. Now, the beauty about yoga is as you move your palms to various directions, your back gets compressed at various points. Now, this time you're going to place your palms by the side of your waist. Okay, you're placing them by the side of your waist. And again, your feet are hip distance apart. You're going to press your palms down and lift yourself further up. High cobra. Make sure you don't shrug your shoulders towards your ears. Move your shoulders down and look up. Enjoy this compression in your lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly you're going to press your palms down, move your buttocks towards your heels, relax in child's pose. This is a counter pose to neutralize your spine after the backward bend. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from the child's pose, you're going to walk both your palms towards the right side. Walk both your palms towards the right side. Go to the right as far as you can. And once you cannot go any further, place your left palm over your right palm and feel a nice stretch on the left side of your body. Enjoy the stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly walk your palms back to the center. Now from the center, we're going to walk our palms forward. As we walk our palms forward, you'll feel a nice stretch on the sides of your body. Stay there. 2, 3, walk your palms forward. Stay there. Come back to the center, walk your palms forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop your palms down. Now you're going to walk both your palms towards the left side. Go to the left as far as you can. Once you cannot go any further, place your right palm over your left palm and stay there. Feel a nice stretch this time on the right side of your body, an oblique stretch. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly walk your palms back to the center. Once you bring it back to the center, again, you're going to walk both your palms forward to feel a nice stretch on both sides of your body. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop your palms down. You're going to lift your head up. Walk your palms towards your knees and sit in Vajrasana. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, you're going to slowly place your palms behind your feet. Press your palms down. Lift your buttocks and your hips up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop down. Again, just stay there. Press your palms down. Lift your buttocks and your hips up. Look up towards the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop down. Now from here, you're going to walk your palms towards your knees. Relax in Vajrasana. Now we're going to do a twisting pose to realign our spine after this practice. So inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, you're going to place your right palm on your left knee, going to place your left fingertips behind your back. Turn and look over your left shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling, parallel to each other. Exhale, you're going to place your left palm on your right knee, move your right fingertips behind your back, press your right fingertips down, turn and look over your right shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift your arms up. This time we're going to place your right palm on your left knee and bend to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, move your arms up. Exhale, you're going to place your left palm on your right knee and bend to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, move your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, you're going to place your palms on your knees, come back to tabletop position. From here, you're going to tuck your toes, lift your hips up, drop your heels towards the ground, downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, make sure that your palms are shoulder width apart, your feet are hip width apart. If your heels are not coming to the ground, you can walk your foot one step forward and try to bring your heels close to your ground. Enjoy the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly you're going to bend your knees. You're going to walk your palms towards your feet. Walk your palms towards your feet. Inhale, lift your arms up towards the ceiling in a namaste position. Arch your back. Look at your fingertips. Exhale, slowly place your palms down. Okay, now from here, we're going to do a simple stretch to strengthen our core, your legs and your hips. So we're going to do Trikonasana. So make sure that your feet are 3 feet apart or even 2.5 feet apart to a comfortable position. You're going to move your right foot towards the right side. Make sure that the heel of the right foot and the arch of the left foot are in one line. Make sure that they are in one line, the heel of the right and the arch of the left foot. So nicely move your arms in line with your shoulders. Lengthen your spine. You have to imagine that there is a hinge in your right hip crease. So you're going to lean forward as if somebody is pulling you towards your right side. Look forward, look ahead. Lean forward as if somebody is pulling you towards your right side. Go forward as much as you can. Once your toes and your fingers are in one line, you're going to drop your right palm on your right shin or your right ankle or your right knee and slowly look up. Trikonasana, a very good pause to strengthen your core, to strengthen, open out your shoulders and strengthen your legs. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicely look up at your fingers. Now slowly come back up. Now from here, we are going to, our right foot remains to the right side. You're going to slowly bend your right knee and come to Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2, a very strong posture to strengthen your legs and open out your shoulders. Look forward, look at your front middle finger. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly straighten out your knees. Turn your right toes in. Now you're going to move your left toes towards the left side. You're going to move your right foot a little bit in. Make sure that the heel of the left and the arch of your right are in one line. Alignment is very important. Also, breath is very important. Right breath, right movement. Synchronization of breath and movement are very important in yoga. So you're going to slowly, like I said, you have to imagine that there is a hinge at your hip crease. So as if somebody is pulling you towards the left side, go, pull, as if somebody is pulling you to the left side, lean to your left, and then slowly place your left palm on your left shin. Once your fingers and your toes are in one line, you can try and drop your left palm on your left shin, your left ankle or your left knee, bend to the left and open out your chest. Your body should not cave down towards. Hold on to your left foot and nicely open out your chest. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back up. Now you're going to try to bend your left knee. Make sure that the the ankle and your knee are in one line and you're looking at your front middle finger. Virabhadrasana 2, warrior pose. Very strong posture. 2, 3, 4, 5. Your body should be centered. Don't lean forward. Center your torso and look forward at your front middle finger. Drishti is very important in yoga. Even your eyesight makes a difference in your alignment. Enjoy this pose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly straighten out your knees, turn your toes. You're going to place your palms on your hips, toe heel your feet, and bring them hip distance apart. So we'll get on to the pranayama practice now. So you can lie down on your back and relax, and we'll start with the breathing after that. Today was just a very beginner's session so that you get an idea of the practice and everybody is able to participate and be a part of this celebration. Okay, so lie down. Lie down in Shavasana. Relax your body. Feel the various sensation in your body after this practice. If you're feeling any pain, any strain, any tension in any part of your body, bring your awareness to that part of your body and completely relax it. Bring your breath or focus on your breath to that particular body part and completely relax it. I'm going to call out the name of each of your body parts, and I want you to bring your awareness to each of these body parts and relax them. We're going to do a very quick relaxation. I'm going to call out the body parts, and you're going to give an auto suggestion to yourself to relax each of these body parts. Relax your toes, your heels, your ankles, your calves, your shins, your knees. Relax your thighs, your pelvis, your hips, your buttocks, your lower back, your middle back, your upper back. Relax your abdomen, your chest, your collarbones. Relax your shoulders, your armpits, your upper arm, your elbows, your forearms, your wrist, your palms, and your fingers. Relax your entire hand. Lift your arms 1 inch off the mat. Make a fist with your palms. Open and close your fingers. Shrug your shoulders towards your ears and drop. Relax your arms. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your jaws. Inhale. And as you exhale, open your mouth and stick your tongue out. Slowly roll your tongue back into your mouth. Relax your jaws. Relax your eyes. Relax your forehead. Relax your entire head. Surrender your body to the mat. Melt your body into the mat and completely relax. Om. Slowly wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, move your arms over your head, interlace your fingers over your head, stretch your palms, stretch your fingers, stretch your feet, stretch your toes, stretch your entire body, stretch, 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 as if somebody is pulling you on both the sides, stretch. Slowly move your arms by the sides of your body, bend your knees, roll over to the right side, and you can come up and sit on the chair, or you can sit in Sukhasana, comfortable seated position. We'll start with a few breathing practices. So, to strengthen your lungs, to improve the function of your respiratory organs, because if your lungs are strong, you are able to, your immunity is strong. Our lifespan is directly related to our breath. That's why if you know that the dogs have short life because they breathe very fast, and tortoise, they live for 100 years is because they have very long breath. So we have to try to slow down our breath. Okay, so we are going to do breathing practices to strengthen our respiratory system and improve the oxygen intake and the carbon dioxide, release the carbon dioxide from our body. So we're going to do a few basic practices. Start off with abdominal breathing. Okay, and we will, so you can sit on a chair or you can sit. We'll just do a basic practice. Sukhasana, comfortable seated position, spine straight. Close your eyes, relax your body. Relax your mind, slow down your thoughts. Follow your breath, become aware of your inhalation and your exhalation, and completely relax. Follow the rhythm of your breath and completely relax. Now slowly place your right palm on your abdomen. As you inhale, feel your abdomen expand like a balloon. And as you exhale, feel your abdomen contract. Inhale, expand your abdomen like a balloon. And as you exhale, move your navel into your spine and completely relax your body. Inhale, abdomen expands. Exhale, abdomen contracts. Inhale, fresh energy, abdomen expands. Exhale, relax, abdomen contracts. Inhale, abdomen moves out. Exhale, abdomen moves in. Continue to breathe, moving your abdomen out as you inhale and moving your abdomen as you exhale. Inhale, abdomen expands. Exhale, abdomen contracts. With every inhalation, breathe in more oxygen, more prana into your body, and with every exhalation, release any tension, any stress, any worries from your body and your mind. Inhale, abdomen expands. Exhale, abdomen contracts. Now slowly we are going to lengthen our inhalation, deepen our inhalation, expand our lungs completely. Move your breath upwards as you inhale and move your breath downwards as you exhale. Inhale, move your breath from your abdomen to your chest to your collarbones. And as you exhale, move your breath from your collarbones to your chest to your abdomen. Inhale, move your breath from your abdomen to your chest to your collarbones. And as you exhale, move your breath from your collarbones to your chest to your abdomen. Inhale, Om 1, expand your abdomen. Om 2, expand your chest. Om 3, expand your collarbones. Exhale, Om 3, release your breath from your collarbones. Om 2, release your breath from your chest. Om 1, release your breath from your abdomen. So let's do it in one continuous step. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, exhale, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Smooth and continuous breath flowing up as you inhale, and smooth and continuous breath flowing down as you exhale. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Exhale, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Slowly feel your body relaxed. Feel your mind relaxed. Bring your breath back to its normal pace. Visualize your lungs expanding and contracting. Slowly open your eyes. What we just did now was yogic breath to expand our lung capacity and to improve the functioning of our respiratory system. We'll end the practice. I'm sorry I've taken more time. We'll end the practice with Brahmari Pranayama to calm our nervous system down, to stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxing and calming your body. So I'll just explain what Brahmari Pranayama does for you. Like I said, it reduces stress in your body. It releases nitric oxide from your body, which helps to fight immunity, helps to fight inflammation and builds your immunity. So I'm going to explain to you how we're going to do it. You're going to inhale through your nose. Then you're going to close your ears with your index finger. And then you're going to exhale through your nose, making the sound. Okay. Now, Brahmari is a very, very calming pranayama versus the other pranayamas, is because not only are you adding breath, you're also adding sound to your breath. So the minute you add sound to your breath, it creates vibrations in your body, and the vibration helps to calm your nervous system down completely. So during times you're stressed or you're tensed, you can practice Brahmari Pranayama. I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. Inhale. Last round, inhale. Feel the vibration sink into your body. Feel your body relaxed, your mind relaxed. Open your eyes whenever you're ready. Rub your palms together to generate some heat. Cup your eyes with your palms. Move your palms over your face, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your legs, your feet. Slowly bring your arms in Namaste position over your head. Bring it in line with your forehead to have clear and loving thoughts. Bring it in line with your mouth to have clear and loving communication, and bring it in line with your heart to have clear and loving intentions. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed my class, and you can follow me on yoga.anaya. And if you have any questions, and also please write your reviews about this session. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry for extending it beyond our timeline.
Suman, that was truly, truly relaxing and beautiful. Okay, I think you're able to stretch each part of a body in a different kind of way, and I think it's simple enough. I'm sure most of us were able to do it. Like I was saying, all the members of O2 and the Duchess Club, this yoga day, we're gifting you all the classes of yoga for 1 month. So please register with one of us, and then we'll take this forward. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Suman. That was really
Thank you. Yeah. So all of you, please write your reviews at my Instagram, yoga.anaya.
Suman, I want each of my friends here to, give their feedback, starting with Sujata, Ratni, Anu, and
Yeah,
Anu.
sure. Please do.
Thank you for such a lovely session. You took us through, and really, really very nice. And I will be joining your course. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Looking forward. Looking forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Suman.
Welcome, Rati.
This is Rati here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did start off with your classes at Body Lyrics, but unfortunately couldn't continue. But I really hope to, start your classes again now.
Looking
and thank
forward,
you, Leena,
like I
for
said.
gifting us the lovely gift. You'll have a lot of people joining you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's it.
Not
Thank
to
you
ask,
so much.
Man, what time are you taking the online classes? You can announce the time.
So on Wednesday and Friday, I take it at O2, 6:30 to 7:30. And I also do online classes from home. I have a pranayama session also. So it's exclusively half an hour of pranayama and chair yoga in the evenings. I'll put across a leaf of my WhatsApp poster of my the classes that I teach.
Our groups, yes.
Yeah.
Suman.
Thank you so much, Suman. Thank you
Most
so
welcome.
much. It's such
Thank
a
you.
beautiful session.
Thank you,
Looking forward
Anuradha.
to joining your class.
Good.
And I think once you let us know
Thank
the
you,
timing, we can share it in all our groups, right, Neena? We can do
Yes,
that.
sir.
Suman, can you come a little forward on the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Suman.
Thank you
So much. Those stretches
welcome.
were really good.
Thank you. I'm
Yeah.
so happy all of you
Even if
enjoyed the
we do,
class.
our own yoga,
Thank you.
but each time we do, the instructor, it is really different. It's very
Yeah,
different
yeah.
when you do with an instructor.
And of course, a great thank you to your mother, right?
Exactly.
Jyoti, thank you so much
Yeah.
for giving us Suman today.
Yeah. And without her support, of course, it wasn't possible for me to. So, yeah. Thank you so much. And please write in your feedback at my Insta page.
Yeah.
I would
Sure.
Can
be
we
very.
have a group picture with everybody?
You want other people
Sure.
to switch on the camera, please
Yes,
instruct.
everybody, please switch on your cameras. Kindly switch on your cameras, and you're all on gallery mode. So let's take a picture. Jyoti, where are you? I can't see you. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That is.
Okay, one more, the next screen. 1, 2, 3. I'm really glad we had about 90 participants.
Wow.
Wow.
That's,
It was really fabulous.
Fantastic.
Wow. Superb.
Yay.
thank you, everybody.
It's
A
okay.
lovely celebration, lovely yoga day celebration.
Just right.
Yeah. I'm so sorry I extended it beyond our time, but
Oh, you know what? We didn't even
No,
realize.
we wanted it like
We
that.
didn't realize it. It was so smooth and so beautiful. I can't tell you. We just enjoyed it so much.
So
very good,
I've asked
very good.
everybody to unmute themselves. If you want
Not
I think.
Yes, I would like to say something.
Yes.
please go ahead.
With her from 1 year, I'm doing chair yoga. I'm a senior citizen and she's just too good. It has made so much difference in my body.
Thank you.
I like to say something too.
Oh,
I'm a regular from 6 months. I've been doing the morning yoga. I'm from Sri Lanka, Colombo. And I think this lockdown, she has helped me so much with my body that I've toned up because of her. And I think all should get into this and practice a lot with her.
oh,
Thank you.
thank you, aunties.
That's
So
wonderful.
sweet. Thank you for being a part of this celebration. You came for class in the morning and you're here today too. Very good.
Yeah. That was
Thank you.
Suman, you were excellent. I'm telling you, I was so happy before, and now I'm feeling so calm thanks to you. And to be online on yoga, you were so articulate and so clear. It was excellent. I'm also
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
really feeling good because of you. Yeah.
Oh,
Really.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your good review. Thank you. And I mean, even if it's bad, it's good to know because it's always a learning process, always good to keep improving yourself and learning more.
But you were good. You were clear. That's
Thank
right.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
First, thanks to Jyotish, one person we love, and we know that if we support her, everything will be perfect.
She's watching. she's hearing all of that.
I know.
That's what I got.
Anybody else wants to say anything? Please unmute yourself.
Anyway.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I am Dr. Ramani and I just got back from my clinic and I found this so, de-stressing, it is a wonderful, even I am doing yoga, but today's yoga session was wonderful. It's so de-stressing and it's really good for people like me, working in the clinic for some hours together. I really enjoyed your session thoroughly. Thank you, Suman.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed the session. It's so nice.
And I'd like to add
lovely
over
things.
here, Suman.
Yeah.
Suman, I'd like to add over here, Dr. Ramani is our member. She hardly attends any meetings, but today for
Okay.
this she was there. I'm glad to see her on the screen.
Good. I'm glad she enjoyed it too. So it was worth her time.
Yeah, yes.
Good. Anyway.
Hema, you can unmute yourself. You want to say something? Please unmute. You have to unmute. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Suman, so much. I loved your section very much. I would like to join it. Say hi to Jyoti from my side. Loved it very much.
Yes.
You
Thank
are
you.
awesome. Love you,
Thank
Suman.
you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you.
Geeta, you want to say something? You can unmute yourself.
Am I unmuted? Am I heard?
Yes, Geeta, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much, Duchess, once again for this beautiful, wonderful morning. I sat sometimes from my office and I really enjoyed it. Yoga is something very unique. Everybody does it with some skill. It's very unique in its own way. Like the same way today's women's class was very, very, very well organized, and everyone could feel at home in doing all the postures that she demonstrated. That's the first big kind of good thing that could happen, and I really enjoyed it. And thank you.
Thank you so much.
And beautiful day with you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we all enjoyed. We could do all the postures, which makes us feel so good about it.
Hi, this is Gautam.
Gautam, please go ahead.
Yep, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. I would like to thank Nina ma'am and Duchess Club to organize such a nice yoga session on the International Yoga Day. That was a nice class, Suman ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I always enjoy hosting your sessions. So I participated in today.
Oh, thank you, Gautam.
I would like
Finally
to
you
request
did.
all
That's
the
very
members.
nice. Otherwise, you're always hosting.
I would request all the members, whoever interested in the classes, can contact me at 9551 277 275. I've left my number in the chat box. You can call us at O2 Health Studio and just register for the yoga sessions. Thank you.
Yes, Nina, you want to say something? Thank you very much, Suman, and thank you to all our members, and wish you a fabulous day and a year filled with yoga.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Stay
Happy
safe.
Yoga Day.
Bye-bye.
Are you?
Bye.
Bye. See you all of you.